Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today I will guide you through the process of applying gel polish without any mess. We will start by removing the existing gel polish from my client's nails, which has lasted beautifully for 2 months. Start by trimming the length of the natural nails. Next, carefully remove any excess gel polish, ensuring a clean surface. Once done, create a tidy area and apply a dehydrator to your natural nails. This process sets the foundation for a polished and well-prepared surface before applying the new gel polish. After preparing the natural nails, applying a crucial base coat is essential for long-lasting results. If you don't use the base coat, your gel polish might not last as long. The base coat helps it stay on better and makes it last longer. Apply the base coat, cure for 30 seconds and then proceed with the first layer of gel polish using 4 techniques. First, place a drop on the nail. Second, push it towards the cuticle and drag it back to the edges. Third, cover the left side of the cuticle and drag it to the edges. Fourth one is, cover the right side of the cuticle and drag it back to the edges. These are the 4 steps to achieve a polished look on your nails. After applying the first layer, let it cure for 30 seconds under the light. Then, apply a thicker second layer of gel polish and cure it for 60 seconds. This process helps make sure the gel polish is strong and stays in place. If your client wants any nail art, this is the time to add it. Finally, finish with the top coat using the same technique and cure it for 30 seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more nail related content. If you have any specific requests for future videos, feel free to comment in my comment section and I will address them in upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching.